Good morning, students. Welcome back to P.N.AMERSEY e-learning classes. In the last video, we have started chapter number 1 and we have discussed about the topic food variety. Today, we will go through the topics food material and sources, activity 3 and table 1.3. Open page number 2, topic 1.2, food material and sources. It may be easy for us to get the sources of some of the ingredients that we listed in table 1.2. Fruits and vegetables, for instance. Where do they come from? Plants, of course. What are the sources of rice or wheat? You may have seen paddy or wheat field with rows and rows of plants, which gives us these grains. And then there are food items like milk, egg, meat, chicken, fish, prawns, beef, pork and such others, which come from animals. So, we are dependent on plants and animals for our sources of food. Plant sources may include dry fruits, cereals, pulses, rice and many other items, as seen in the picture. And animal sources may include fish, meat, cheese, egg, yogurt, milk and other items. Moving on to activity 3, let us take the food items listed earlier and try to find out where they come from, the ingredients and their sources. Some examples are shown in table 1.3. Fill in the blanks in table 1.3 and add more examples to this list. So we will now do table 1.3. Now here we have 3 columns: food item, ingredients, sources. So the first one is idli. The ingredients of idli are rice, urad dal, salt, water. And the sources of rice is plant. For urad dal it is also plant, for salt it is sea and for water it is earth. This you have to write in your textbook. Next food item is chicken curry. The ingredients are chicken, the source is animal, spices, the source is plant, oil ghee, the source is plants or animal, and water, the source is earth. Next food item is kheer. The ingredient are milk, which is a source of animal, rice, which is a source of plant, and sugar, which is also a source of plant. Now we can take one more example as Maggi. The ingredients are wheat, which is a source of plant, salt, which is a source of sea, and spices, which is a source of plant. Okay, this was about food items and ingredients and their sources. Moving on to page number 3. What do we conclude from activity 3? Plants are the sources of food ingredients like grains, cereals, vegetables and fruits. Animals provide us milk, meat products and eggs. Cow, goat and buffaloes are some common animals which gives us milk. Milk and milk products like butter, cream, cheese and curd are used all over the world. Can you name some other animal which gives us milk? So apart from cow, goat and buffaloes, we can also get milk from camel. Moving on towards the next topic, that is plants part and animal products as food. Plants part and animal products as food. Plants are one source of our food. Which part of plants are these? We eat many leafy vegetables. We eat fruits of some plants, sometimes roots, sometimes stems and even flower. Paheli wants to know if any of our food comes from sources other than plants and animals. The answer is no. There cannot be any food that may come from sources other than plants and animals. Generally, All our food originates from either plants or animals. We eat carrot, radish as roots, spinach, cabbage as leaves, cauliflower, broccoli as flowers. Have you ever eaten pumpkin flowers dipped in rice paste and fried? Tried. Some plants have two or more edible parts. Seeds of mustard plants give us oil and the leaves are used as vegetables. So here we are talking about the edible parts, that means the eatable parts. In a plant we have many parts that are eatable like flower, stem, leaf, bud, roots. These are the parts of the plants which we consume in the form of different vegetables. Can you think of different parts of a banana plant that are used as food? Parts of banana plant we eat as food is mainly its fruit. Of course, banana. Bananas are used in both raw and ripened form. The next part is its flower, which is purple color. Stem is the another part that we consume, which is a thick stalk that grows up from the ground and form backbone of the plant. So, other than eating banana as a fruit, we also eat its flower, stem, and also consume it in a raw form. Think of more examples where many parts of a single plant are used as food. So some examples are coriander, its seed and leaves are used, radish, drumstick, onion, its leaves and vegetables are used, fenugreek, its seeds and leaves are used. Okay, so this was all about today's topic. Tomorrow we will continue with table 1.4 and other activities. Okay, thank you.